Blow dry, but not really straight. How to wake up early and work out. Hey, my name is Hallie and I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, and just tips and tricks on how to just have balance in the chaos of what might be your life. And today's video is about how to wake up early and work out. How do you work out in the morning? Are you that person that gets off of work and then you still gotta work out and then you still gotta eat dinner, then you still gotta settle for the day? You might realize working out in the morning might be a good idea. So if you're wondering, how do you do it? How do you feel motivated to work out when that's not your lifestyle? Well, I will tell you in this video. That's what it's about. Keep watching. How to wake up in the morning early and work out. Before you go to work, before you do anything. The first reason is why. Why? Why do you want to work out in the morning? Why do you want to wake up? You should find a why, or else it's not going to last very long. If you're like, I don't know, it just sounds like a great idea. Cool people seem to do it, and I want to be cool too. Nah, that's not it. You really need to find what's your reason why. Is your reason why you're tired when you get off of work and you're tired of having to work out and then cook dinner and then get ready for the next day, and it just becomes, when do you just get to like be home and rest, right? So that's one reason. Did you also know the endorphins that you release in the morning and you're working out and you're getting that energy going actually gives you energy before your morning coffee? So maybe if you want to have energy that complements your morning coffee and it's not like, I need it, don't talk to me before I have it, and you want to feel natural energy before you get that caffeinated energy, that's another reason. Whatever your reason is, have that reason, because that's the reason you're going to have to remind yourself every time you're waking up in the morning to work out. Or maybe you're just like, I want to feel good, I want to sweat, I want to feel like I accomplished something. That's a good reason too. And most recently, a reason that I would recommend is if you're trying to wake up early and you just keep falling back asleep, working out is something that's actually going to keep you awake if you wake up in the morning. All right, so you have your why. How do you work out in the morning? How do you make this happen? I got you. Tip number 1, shower the night before. So if you have to wake up in the morning and then shower and then get dressed and do all these things, you're going to look at the clock and you're like, I have no time to work out. I think I'm just going to make a big breakfast instead. Okay, so you definitely want to shower the night before so you don't have to shower in the morning. Yes, you're probably going to have to shower after you work out, obviously. But you just want to feel refreshed. You want to feel clean. There's something about being clean and being in your sheets that actually puts you to sleep a lot just smoother and easier and calmer. So you want to feel good in them sheets when you go to sleep, right? Like, I'm clean. And then you knock out sleep. So take a shower the night before. Tip number 2. After you shower, instead of getting in those cozy little pajamas, it is winter, put on your clean workout clothes. So some of you might be like, Hallie, I sleep with no clothes on. I sleep, with minimal clothing. That's perfectly fine. I would say, like, what I do sometimes, like if it's hot, sometimes I'm still that person that sleeps with the fan in front of their face. So one thing I would recommend is maybe just sleep with one of the items. So if you are wearing leggings and a top, then maybe just wear the top. And then in the morning, you just have to put on the leggings. If you're like the type of person where like, I don't mind wearing pants, but I just don't want to wear a top, then just put on the leggings and then you just have to put on the top in the morning. The thing is, you want to put on as much clothing of what you're going to put on so you're not completely putting on a whole pants and bottom and shoes and socks and all these things in the morning. It sounds ridiculous, but it's just a little thing. Like to know that you're halfway done getting dressed and you just woke up is like, well, I'm already halfway there. I might as well just finish putting on my top, right? There's just something about it that tells you like, okay, you're halfway dressed. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost there. All right, tip number 3. Have your bag ready and everything set at the door. You don't want to pack your bag. You don't want to get your water ready. You don't want to put your purse and your wallet and all those things in the morning. The more things you have to do, the more reason why you're not going to work out. So what I recommend is if you have your gym bag, whatever bag, if it's just your purse, have that ready. Have your water already full with water if you're not going to fill the water at the gym. Have your wallet ready. Have your keys right by your bag. Everything is set. For some reason, people are still losing their keys. Like, when I get home, I have a key thing. So, my keys will only be, if I'm in my house, on my key holder. If you don't have a key holder, place it right on top of your bag. The only place it'll be is on your bag at the door. Your keys really should never be anywhere else in your house besides at the door. But that's another video for another time on how to make sure you don't lose stuff, okay? So have your stuff ready at the door so there's no putting things in the bag. once you're dressed and brush your teeth, you're grabbing your bag, you're out to go, you're ready to work out. Okay? Tip number 4. And actually it's kind of the first tip, is set an alarm. But when you set the alarm, set it with a quote. So a lot of us have iPhones. I think Android does it as well. You can set the kind of ringtone you want, but you also can put like, what is it? Like, wake up and go to the gym. So instead of saying it, wake up and go to the gym, that might not sound exciting for you. Like, yes, I know I need to go to the gym. Have a quote and set it the night before. If your quote, one of them that I've been keeping recently on mine is, get up, you won't regret it. Make it simple, not this long quote. So get up, you won't regret it. And whatever your quote is for the day, if it's the same one every single day, if it's different every single day, once you press that alarm, you say that quote every minute until you go out the door. So once I take off my alarm and press stop, I'm like, get up, you won't regret it. Get up, you won't regret it. I'm standing up, getting up, you won't regret it. I'm going to go brush my teeth. I won't regret it. I won't regret it. So you just saying something that's going to keep you moving forward, because in the morning there's things that are going to tell you, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I only got how many hours of sleep, oh, maybe I'll just do this tomorrow. There's so many opponents and words in your mind that are telling you why this isn't really necessary. So you need to think of something the night before where you already were in that mindset of, this is what I was going to do, and just keep repeating it to yourself. You don't have to say it like, I'm going to get up, I won't regret it, really fast. You can say it as often as words come out of your mouth. There's no rule on this. It's just keeping that mindset of, I am doing this. Okay? And tip number 5. Schedule a group workout class. Schedule something with someone else so that you actually have to be somewhere on time to the gym. So for me, I work in group fitness. A lot of times I teach group fitness classes in the morning. So for me, it's great that when I want to do my workout, I kind of just do it after I teach. And so that forces me to be there at a certain time. I know before I was teaching group fitness classes, sometimes I would just get on the elliptical or I would start working out my legs, stuff like that. I didn't feel as motivated if I didn't have to be there at a certain time. So even before I started working in fitness myself, I would schedule and be like, I'm going to go to the 5:30 a.m. boot camp class. I'm going to go to this whatever kickboxing class. So set a time at the time that you need to be there. And some of you are probably like, I'm not a group fitness type of person. I feel like those people haven't taken a good class yet. Once you take a good class, you're like, oh, this is easy. And especially when you're trying to get in the groove of things, you don't want to use your mind and start thinking about workout regimens and exercise routines when you're still trying to get the swing of it. You want to just walk into a place, they tell you what to do, and then you can walk on out. The great thing about group fitness is you literally show up, they tell you what to do for each exercise, and then you're done. You're done working out. So if you don't have a gym membership and you're doing home workouts, maybe you have a little kiddo or something like that, find a YouTube already the night before. Make sure it's good, because nothing's worse than watching a workout video and then after 5-10 minutes you're like, this is stupid. I want another one. I don't like this one. So make sure if you're going to watch a video on YouTube or a video workout or any of those other workouts that are online or whatever, make sure you like it and you're going to do the whole workout. So right when you are doing it in the morning, and even when you're at home, I recommend to at least brush your teeth, wash your face, so that you're alert, that you're awake. Drink some water so you're not just like, oh, this is so great. Something about brushing your teeth and washing your face wakes you up in the morning. So make sure you're doing that full workout, whether you're at home or you're at the gym. And then once you get used to it, you could always incorporate, oh, I just want to do this machine, I just want to do this workout, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it. Those are my tips to working out in the morning. It's something that gets your day going. Just try it. Try it. I always say try something for 21 days. We're in this thing these days where we want fast results and people want to try things for 3 days, for 7 days, for 1 week. But you haven't really given it a try. You've been doing something for an entire year or maybe your whole life. And before you give something new a try, you're only going to give it 3 to 7 days. Like, that's not really giving it a try. Give it at least 21 days. If you've been doing something forever, try something new for 21 days, because you're going to have some resistance. You're not going to be in love with it maybe in the beginning. But a new habit takes 21 days. That's what scientists say. That's what they say. Studies show. So give any new thing 21 days before you give up and say it's not for you. At least, at the minimum. You can do 30 days. But that's it. Until the next video, if you want more fitness tip videos or anything like that, I'm here with you. I got all these things, but I definitely love making videos that I know you automatically want, besides just sharing with you what I like to do in my life. And make sure that you hit the bell so you know every time I post a video, and subscribe, and comment below if you have any video ideas that you had a question about, and I can go ahead and answer them in the next video. Until that next video comes, peace, love, and balance. And go work out right now. Set your alarm.